Do your photos suck? Are you looking for something to improve them? I've got 3 framing and composition tips that can help instantly. Now in the first part of this series, we're going to talk about rule of thirds. What is rule of thirds? Those are evenly spaced vertical and horizontal lines. In most modern day cameras, you can find that in your viewfinder. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. Now, the way the rule of thirds works is your eyes are going to be immediately drawn to the couple that you can see here in this photo. And that's because we simply place them on those lines. Now, with this example, I wanted to show you something a little bit different. I wanted to give you an example of us placing in the bottom third. Now, I hope that helped you out. If it did, be sure to keep a lookout for the next one in the series, and that is on leading lines. As always, be sure to follow or subscribe for more content just like this.